How to fix FPL app not working. To fix this issue, simply force close the application and remove all the apps from your recent. You can simply swipe up or tap on close all, and after that simply long press on the application, tap on the app info icon and simply scroll down to the storage section and tap on it. And after that you'll find cache option. Simply tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete. But before you tap on clear data, make sure that your achievements or team are saved on your Google account, or you can just skip this part. Then simply head back and tap on force stop at the very end, tap on OK, and simply try to open the app. If this doesn't fix, what you can do is simply tap on uninstall and tap on OK. A fresh reinstall can fix the problem. After that, simply head over to the Play Store and simply search for the application. Go to the search bar and search for FPL Premier League and hit search. Now tap on the app and tap on install. And always make sure to have an up-to-date app. For that, simply tap on the vertical dots and make sure you enable auto update. So simply toggle this icon on, and when the app is installed, simply open it and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.